Kill my vibe, kill the mood. I'm on no lure by my side. Nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
But like, this is the nightlife. It's busy but not too busy, but noisy, mostly noisy. So I am trying to find a restaurant or the place, just anywhere I can get food, because I can die any moment. I mean, not die, but I can faint. But enjoy the nightlife. So as you guys come here, okay, there's less noise. Let me talk real quick. So I just went shopping for snacks and stuff like that. I am currently looking for a restaurant to go and eat because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since morning. I mean, I ate in the morning, but in the afternoon I didn't eat till now. So I'm very hungry and I'm just walking. I'm just taking a leap of faith. Talking to the moon. So as you can see, there are no restaurants here. I mean, no sign of restaurants. I'm just going to walk down where there's more light. But I think the city is really beautiful, just busy. And oh my god, did I just cross when the light was red? Anyways, whatever. I am hungry. I can't think. I need to eat, but I'm really enjoying it here, and I hope you guys are also enjoying the nightlife. I'm like, there's nothing for me to do basically, because I didn't plan shooting nightlife, so it's just impromptu, so I have to improvise. But do you like my makeup? So I have like, should I let you guys see my goodies or should I just wait? No, I think I'll wait. Yeah, cooking up another video, stay tuned. But yeah, on my way to go get some food. Catch y'all later. So I think this will be the city center from the look of things. And so yeah, I kind of walked my way to the city center. But let's see whether I know my way. Walking downtown solo, carrying a bag of snacks, and still looking for food. Oh my god, look what I found! Let me stable the camera here, guys, because Zalando. Like, this is my favorite place to shop. I buy like 90% of my stuff from Zalando, and I think further down they have like Giorgio Armani, but it's all like closed. I don't know their COVID protocol, but I'm guessing they close at 9, and so hopefully I find food. If not, I'll die. And I mysteriously found a mall. So let me see whether there are some restaurants open. This place is big and nice. Wow. Yes, sir. I don't know, I think everything is closed. a place, maybe from Netherlands, where we are not like allowed to know wear nose mask, to a place where they wear nose mask. It's hard. It's hard to follow the rules. It is hard to follow the rules. So it's not a fact that my makeup is like partially rubbed, but after a long hard work, in search of food, I decided to settle for Burger King. And this was way expensive than the local dining I saw. So I'm kind of pissed a little bit, but yeah, it is my fault. I should have gone to that restaurant earlier. But anyways, I've come to properly end the video so that I can go and eat, since I am hungry, like hungry. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of messy and all over the place. I'm sorry, but today has been a really hectic day. Tomorrow I'll show you guys my hotel, like a tour of my hotel, and hopefully we can visit a couple of places before going back home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Okay? Before I go, remember to be you, do live life, enjoy the finer things in life, love God, and aim for space, and I will definitely see you on another exciting video. Bye.